Morning students, today we are going to study here this 13th one chapter Pythagoras theorem. See this practice set 48. Already we have studied this first question. In this first question 3 examples we completed. Then second one, see in this practice set 48. Practice set 48. Second one example. In the right angle triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 degree if PQ is equal to 24 centimeter and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Find the length of this segment QR. In triangle PQR, see this triangle PQR. PQR, in this triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 degree, means here you write here P, here Q and R. You see this triangle PQR, but in PQR triangle angle P is equal to 90 degree. Then PQ is equal to 24 centimeter and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. Find the length of this segment QR. But see here segment QR is the right angle triangle of this side is a hypotenuse. Means segment QR is the hypotenuse. Then by Pythagoras theorem, what theorem here? QR square is equal to QP square plus PR square. Then you put here value 24 square plus here 10 square. 24 square 576 plus 10 square 100. Then here 676, means QR is equal to 26 centimeter. QR is equal to length of this QR is equal to 26 centimeter. Third one. In right angle triangle LMN. Third one, see in right angle triangle LMN. Here angle M is 90 degree. Then LM is equal to 12 centimeter. Here LN is given 20 centimeter. And you find out this length of this side of this MN. Then in triangle LMN you write here in triangle LMN angle M is equal to 90 degree. Then LN is segment LN. This segment LN is hypotenuse. Then LN by Pythagoras theorem you write here LN square is equal to LM square plus MN square. Then LN square is given here 20 centimeter is equal to 12 centimeter plus MN square. Then 20 square is here 400 is equal to 144. 12 square plus MN square. Then MN square is equal to 400 minus 144. 400 minus 144. Then here subtraction here see MN square is equal to 256. Then 256 here which number square? 16. Then MN is equal to 16. Means length of this segment MN is 16 centimeter. Length of this segment MN is equal to 16 centimeter. Then fourth one, see Fourth one, see. The top of a ladder is 15 meter long, reaches a window 9 meter above the ground. What is the distance between the foot of the ladder and the base of the wall? See here in this triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, here A, foot of the ladder AB, and this C. Then AC is here. AC is 15 meter, means you draw in this type of figure. This here C, here AB. AB is foot of the ladder. AC is equal to 15 meter. 15 meter. BC is equal to 9 meter. 9 meter. And AB is equal to suppose X centimeter. X meter. Let BC be the wall and AC the ladder. C is the window. Length of AC is equal to here 15 meter. Length of BC is equal to 9 meter. Let AB be X. Then here by Pythagoras theorem, what here Pythagoras theorem? This angle B is right angle triangle, means here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then AC square here 15 square is equal to AB square X square plus BC here 9 square. Then 15 square 225 is equal to X square plus 9 square 81. Then X square is equal to 225 minus 81. Then here X square is equal to subtraction 144. X square is equal to 144. 144 number this 12. Then X is equal to here 12. The distance between the foot of the ladder. The distance between the foot of the ladder and the base of the wall is 12 meter. Here write below answer. The distance between the foot of the ladder, and the base of the wall is 12 meter. Then here your practice set 48 completed. Again one practice set remain in this chapter. This remaining part tomorrow. Okay. In homework you solve this practice set 48.